In the rapidly evolving world of OEM components manufacturing, staying competitive requires more than just efficiency. It demands innovation. Are disconnected systems, manual processes, and lack of real-time insights holding your business back? Introducing the Industry 4.0 ERP from GreenStep, designed to transform your manufacturing operations with advanced CRM, financials, and integrated MRP solutions. Gain a competitive edge with our ERP. Manage complex serialized BOMs and track every finished product with precision. Optimize production planning, automate job orders, and manage inventory across multiple warehouses. Our integrated MRP and inventory control features ensure you always have the right parts at the right time. Streamline your finances with built-in accounting and taxation modules. Leverage real-time insights to make informed decisions and control costs. Enhance your sales funnel with a powerful CRM. Facilitate seamless collaboration with our dedicated portals for vendors, subcontractors, distributors, and retailers. Streamline B2B operations and enhance efficiency across the supply chain. Leverage advanced analytics and IoT integration to gain real-time insights, optimize production, and improve decision-making across your operations. For more information, visit www.greenstep.com. GreenStep, think new.